Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, in this video I will be discussing about off-campus jobs and internships from Thinkitive, BNY Mellon and JMan Group. So there is no 60% criteria, all branches are eligible, those who are passing out in 2021, 22, 23 and 24 batch. Salary will range from 17 to 22 LPA. So let's begin our video. The first opportunity is from Thinkitive. Thinkitive is hiring for trainee software engineer. Talking about the skills and requirements, then you should be having a strong communication skills with a knowledge in OOPS, data structures, with a few knowledge in front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you should also have a basic knowledge in SQL database. So friends, you should be having a good knowledge in any of the programming language with a knowledge in OOPS, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and you should also be having a knowledge in front-end frameworks like Foundation or Bootstrap. The job location is Pune, so for this job, freshers can apply for the full-time opportunity. Second opportunity is from Jet Global. So talking about the eligibility criteria, then all BTech in computer science and IT branch can only apply for this opportunity. 2023 batch pass out students can apply and you should be having a 70% throughout your academic career. Talking about the job description, then they are hiring for the role of associate analyst. Job location will be Pune and the work mode will be work from office. First, you will be offered a 6-month internship where 12,000 per month stipend will be given, and after the 6 months of internship, according to your performance, you will be offered a PPO where the salary will range from 5 to 6 LPA, and you will get you joining for full-time opportunity just after the 6 months of your internship completion. Talking about the skills, then you should be having a knowledge in computer science fundamentals and you should be also having a problem solving skills. Talking about the job responsibilities, then you will be developing and maintaining the front-end and back-end applications. You will be also building and integrating the APIs where you have to write, test and debug the codes. You will be also testing and developing the applications and collaborating with UI and UX designers to implement user-friendly interface. So if you meet all the criteria, you must apply for this opportunity. Third opportunity is from BNY Mellon. So talking about the eligibility criteria, then only women candidates are eligible for this job. All BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, MS students can apply for this opportunity. For 2023 graduates, they are offering a full-time opportunity, and for 2024 graduates, they are offering a summer internship from May to July 2023. So for this opportunity, you should be having a CGPA more than 7 and there should be no active backlogs. So talking about the selection process, after filling this form, you will be invited for the online programming test where 3 programming questions will be there and you have to solve within 2.5 hours. And after qualifying the round 1, you will be invited for round 2 where you will be appearing for 10 MCQs, 1 programming question in Java 8 or Python language only and 1 SQL question. And if you qualify the first round, then only you will be invited for the next round. And for the students who are not from the 2023 or 2024 batch, they can also apply for this opportunity as they have mentioned the prizes for the first, second and third place as a gift voucher, and there is also 10 consolation prizes where you will be given a gift voucher worth rupees 5,000 each. So talking about the rules, then you will be offered a role of software developer where the salary will range from 17 to 22 LPA and the job location will be Pune or Chennai. And they've also mentioned the previous candidates who have done their internship and they are currently working in a company as a full-time employee. So you can just read their quote which they have mentioned, and if you want then you can also contact them via LinkedIn for their practical experience. And talking about the deadline of this application, then you must apply for this opportunity before 5th March. Fourth opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from JMan Group. JMan Group is hiring for the various roles. As you can see that they are hiring for software engineer, full stack engineer, senior data engineer, Java developer and data engineer. But for the fresher role, they are only hiring for software engineer, and rest all the positions are for experienced person. So if you are experienced person, then you must apply for all these jobs except software engineer. For the software engineer, talking about the qualification, then you should be having a BE, BTech in computer science IT or MCA or MSc students can only apply for this opportunity. Talking about the experience, then you should be having 0 to 1 years. It means 2022 and 21 candidates can apply for this opportunity. They are hiring for the role of software development. Talking about the skills, then you should be proficient in software programming. You should be also having a knowledge in latest technologies. And if you have done a full stack programming, then it will be an advantage for you. And if you are having any certifications related to programming or latest technologies, then you can mention in your resume or in the registration form while applying. And I want to tell you that please don't mention any certifications which you are not having the knowledge, because interviewer might question related to your certifications that what are the technologies you have learned and what are the skills you have implemented in the real life projects. So if you're interested, you must apply for this opportunity. So this was the 4 job opportunities. If you're interested, you must apply for all these jobs. If you like the video, do hit the like button. Do share with your friends. Those who are in search of new off-campus job opportunities, consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.